The Bachelor of Science at the University of Melbourne is a unique degree offering a diverse range of study areas. There are currently 42 majors covering the whole range of science. These study areas include the pure sciences like mathematics, chemistry and physics, health sciences including human and animal health, engineering and technology majors. By studying some of these areas in first year, students get a good feel for the different areas of science they are interested in and how they can be combined to solve complex problems. The Bachelor of Science is designed so that students can come into first year and explore many different areas of science, even if they haven't studied them at school. A key feature of the degree is that students don't need to choose their major area of study right away, so this gives students time to experience different areas of science before they decide what really interests them. If you come into the degree thinking engineering might be your pathway, but then discover that you really like biology, you could pursue a health sciences major instead without having to start from scratch. In addition to your core science study, the breadth component of the degree enables you to develop a range of transferable skills that complement your science skills. For example, you can learn a language, explore a range of subjects in law or commerce, or you could even pursue a passion in music or art. That's a tricky question actually, because some students know exactly what their major will be right from the beginning. Others may not have such a clear idea and will want more time to decide. The flexibility and structure within the Bachelor of Science allows students to do both. We can help you develop a course plan that fits your interests and your goals starting at day one, or to explore a range of different areas until you find the one that fits right up until the end of second year. If you absolutely know what pathway you want to pursue in the Bachelor of Science, you can apply for a graduate degree package. This means that you can complete your chosen major in the Bachelor of Science and guarantees your transition into the specified graduate program. You'll still be able to explore a range of subjects in the Bachelor of Science, but you will have a more focused pathway, knowing exactly where you're headed when you graduate. Having a lot of choices can be daunting, but we provide assistance and support for you throughout the degree. Before you even start the Bachelor of Science, you'll be assigned a peer mentor who will be a current student, maybe 1 or 2 years ahead of you. You'll meet with your mentor and a group of students just like you. Your peer mentor will be able to help you with common concerns that first year students have. For example, how do I take lecture notes? How many hours a week study should I do? What's an exam at the university like? Once you finish first semester, we'll assign you with an academic advisor. You'll meet with your advisor and 4 other students in second semester. Your advisor can help you understand how you are tracking in your degree and discuss future options with you. In second year, the advisor meetings will be one-on-one, so you can ask very personally focused questions about your career path. The academic advisors have years of experience working in science and can help you to reach the goals you have set. By third year, students get even more targeted mentoring. We'll match you with either an academic mentor or an industry mentor, depending on which pathway you are headed for. An industry mentor will be able to tell you about how to prepare your CV, what it's like to work in industry, and how to approach an interview. There are lots of different curricular and co-curricular opportunities for students in the Bachelor of Science. For example, many discipline areas have research experiences like the Vacation Scholarship Program. Vacation scholars work with an academic on a mini research project over the summer. There are also a broad range of internship opportunities that can be in a research lab or in a workplace. Some internships can be credited towards the degree and can happen outside of standard semester. Many of our students have participated in internships interstate or even overseas. When students finish the Bachelor of Science, many go on to graduate study at the University of Melbourne and elsewhere. Some graduate programs require students to have studied particular subjects at undergraduate level. For example, if you wanted to do a Master of Science in Mathematics, you would need to have completed a major in that area. But some programs like law or medicine at Melbourne require no particular background subjects. Many of our students go straight to employment and pursue many different types of careers both in Australia and overseas. Our graduates are very highly sought after because of the really fantastic skills that they develop during the degree. So often our students say that the most important thing in their Bachelor of Science was the flexibility. Many students end up completing a major in an area they didn't even know about when they first started the degree. Without the flexibility, they may never have found their real passion. My advice to commencing students is always to keep their options open. You don't know what you love until you've tried it, and we offer you many things to try. And that's true for students even after they finish their degree. There are multiple pathways into a career, and it's the unique way that each student takes that journey that makes them highly sought after employees. The COVID-19 response is the perfect example of how science can help to solve a problem, even one that we didn't know existed just a few months ago. Almost every area of study in the Bachelor of Science is being used by experts across the world to address the pandemic. How to develop a vaccine, how to contact trace those who may have been exposed to the virus, how best to utilise technology to do this, the mathematics and statistics to build models that tell us when to go into lockdown and what the infection rate of the disease is. Think about all those scientists working together to share their information and keep the population safe. That's what you'll learn in the Bachelor of Science. Some of the scientists that we have here at Melbourne who teach our students right from day one are exactly the experts that are advising the government on COVID-19 right now. We're so excited to talk to you about science at Melbourne. I hope you enjoy all the information that we have to share.